Hi everyone! Another day, another surgery on the life of a cosmetic surgeon. Nako, para na tayong si paring Hyde. No? Another day, another watch naman sa kanya. Sa atin, another day, another surgery. So today, what I'm going to do is Gore-Tex rhinoplasty for a female naman, female patient who underwent alar trimming na. No, nabawasan na yung kanyang ila before. Then ngayon, syempre, pag medyo nakulangan ka sa nagawa, ipapagawa mo na rin lahat, rhinoplasty na. So, Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So, we're going to do tip-plasty, then put Gore-Tex. I'll check if we still need alar trimming, pero mukhang hindi na kasi ang liit na ng butas ng ilong niya actually. No? Baka malaki na tanggal na alar plasty. Alar trimming before. But I will still do yung overhang correction, yung ating alar lift. No, iaangat po natin yan. So, sana po matuwa na siya this time. I'm sure. No? So, yun po. This is our day today. Another day, another surgery for a cosmetic surgeon. Paring Hyde, naka-ano tayo ngayon? No? Hi. So we're done with our surgery. We did Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So the patient had alar trimming. Nagbabawas na siya ng ala before. Pero medyo mababa yung tip and mababa yung bridge. So hindi siya natuwa. So now we did Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So you can see the tip is projected very well. Maganda na po. No? Then yung bridge is very nice for her. Pang babae po yan. Yung ganyang klaseng ilong. Medyo nakaslope. Hindi po natin masyadong tinaasan. No? Yung tip, as I've said before, no? Hindi masyadong mataas dapat para hindi magkaroon ng cartilage show. No? Lalo na pag yung mga maninipis yung balat, then masyadong tinaas, nagkakaroon ng pressure yung cartilage sa skin. So in time, after 1, 2 years, no, or 3 years, nakikita yung cartilage yan nakabakat. So in her case, inangat natin pero not too much. Papakita po natin yung result after 6 days. So I'll see you the results. Thank you.